I just got this new doorbell camera from my Gtag house, and hopefully when I set this up, I can see exactly what is going on outside of my house. Okay, finding a good spot, and that seems good. Yeah. Now we just wait for it to ring. Oh, I didn't think that would go so fast. Okay, let me open the doorbell camera app. What the fuck? Hello, I want to see the new illustrator. Can I see you?
No!
Hey, it's me, Julia. Your ex-girlfriend. Hey, it's me, Julia. Your ex-girlfriend. Open up. Oh.
Yes, hello.
You can. Oh, I can talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will you open up?
How about no?
No. Well, I was a man after all, so get the hell out. Come here, little boy. Yo, it's me, Elliot. It's me, Elliot. I love Valentine's Day. Now the day bleeds into nightfall. You're not here to get me through it all. And then my guard down and it burned out. I was getting kinda used to me, so when you... Why are you laughing? I am Elliot. Subscribe now. Another day. I heard you have the illustrator badge.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Last video.
Oh, well, come on, not last video.
A failure. Oh. Another day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. To get me through it all, and let my guard down, and to put it all. I was getting kinda used to the summer you love. Gtag. Give him the EA badge. Pleasey, 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 pleasey. I badge. Badge. Please give him the badge. Please. Please. Please, for the next year. Okay, I'm gonna sing one more time. Now the day bleeds into nightfall. Another day. Yo, Elliot. If you're watching this, I have you as a desktop background. I had a photo of you. That's why. It's me, and it's on the last video's thumbnail. That's my That's my background. Back to the video. I am Venom. Cocomelon. I am Venom. Give me those balls. I am Venom. Yo, if you watch till the end, make sure to like and subscribe. All my cats will blow off your head. Can you leave now? I wanna. Can you leave, please? Can you leave? Leave! Leave!